So here we're given cosec theta plus cotangent of theta has a value equals to 5. Then we need to find the value of sine and cosine theta. So let's begin. First, we're going to use an identity. The identity being, if we have 1 plus cotangent squared theta, so that's equals to cosecant squared theta. So we can rewrite this equation as cosecant squared theta minus cotangent squared theta equals to 1. Now here this is up the form a squared minus b squared. We can rewrite it as cosecant of theta minus cotangent of theta multiplied to cosecant of theta plus cotangent of theta, and that's equals to 1. However, we are already given that cosecant of theta plus cotangent of theta, this value is equals to 5. So this is given, so we can replace this value with 5. That means we now have cosecant of theta minus cotangent of theta whole multiplied to 5 equals to 1, or we can simply say cosecant of theta minus cotangent of theta, that's equals to 1 over 5. So let's label this as equation number 1 and the cosecant of theta plus cotangent of theta plus equals to 5 as equation number 2. Now what we can do, we can use 1 and 2 to find out the value cosecant theta and cotangent theta. So for adding equation number 1 with equation number 2, we are going to get 2 times cosecant of theta, which will be equals to 5 plus 1 over 5. That gives us 2 times cosecant theta equals to 26 over 5, or simply cosecant of theta will be equals to 13 over 5. Next, what we'll do, we'll take equation number 2 and from it we're going to subtract equation number 1. This is going to give us 2 times cotangent of theta, that will be equals to 5 minus 1 over 5. The 2 times cotangent of theta will be equals to, so 5 minus 1 over 5 gives us 24 over 5, or simply cotangent of theta equals to 12 over 5. Now, we have to find out the value of sine theta and cotangent of theta. We know that our sine function or sine theta, that's the reciprocal of the cosecant function. So 1 over cosecant theta. We already have the value of cosecant theta. So this means sine theta is going to be equals to 5 over 13. So now that we have the value of sine theta, we can use cotangent of theta equals to 12 over 5 to find out the value of cosine theta. So cotangent of theta, that's the ratio of cosine theta over sine theta. So that's given by 12 over 5. So cosine of theta will be equals to 12 over 5 multiplied to sine theta. So sine theta is 5 over 13. So 5 and 5 cancels out. We have 12 over 13. Hence, we have found out the value of sine theta, which is 5 over 13, and that of cosine theta is 12 over 13.